Teachers won't accept any other thing apart from money. Teachers want money and not stories.
Eno ni miario ya mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arutani bururi-ini KNUT Collins Oyu muthenya wa ira akihinyereria ati no muhaka ndereti ya kuongerera arutani micara icokio metha-ini o ringi. Akiuga thiini wa ngirimiti ya uruti wira ya mwaka wa 2021-2025 arutani matiaheirwo nyongerera o yothe ya micara. Miario ya Oyu ona kuhanoro guo ndironeka kunyitwo baru. Umuthi Minister wa Githomo George Magoha akiuga riendekithia ria kiama giki kuongerera micara ya arutani na gicunji kia mirongo itandatu hari igana ti undu ungihoteka.
So there is no way, and you can take this to the bank, there is no way government can give teachers 60%. But you see now, I'm talking as a spectator. That question should be directed to Dr. Micara and the chair of Teacher Service Commission.
Magoha augite ukiringithania na mabũrũri mangĩ Ministry ya Githomo ikoretwo ikiamukira kigina kia iguru muno na uguo kuria arutani kugia na ukiririria.
Teachers are of course entitled to increment of salary, but in the whole of this continent there is no government that is spending more money in education than ours. So perhaps what we should be doing is to ensure that we have value for money.
Ekwaragia o kaunti-ini ya Mombasa kuria eguthiete kunyabara waki wa irathi cia CBC thiini wa ikireka ria keri.
I don't have reason to complain. I think we are on track and our default date is of course the 9th of August, which is next month. I think if we maintain the same momentum, we shall have completed most of the 3,500.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Waduro.